Viva la Virgen Milagrosa! Viva Baro Abado! Viva Baduqueños! Happy Fiesta! Badok is risen, La Virgen Milagrosa is risen, and Christ is risen. Good morning to each and every one of us. The Honorable Mayor, ti nagaget, nalaing, managtulong, at the aming kenkwanan apong atalugadi, our very own and beloved, the Honorable Mayor Maxi Cahigal, the equally young and achiever, a talented Vice Mayor of our town, the Honorable Alwin Rubio, the honorable members of the Sangguniang Bayan, who are very supportive in the leadership of the Mayor and the Vice Mayor, the Association of Barangay Captains, headed of course by my one and only kalahate in my life, Captain Virgilio Calahate, the pride of Badok will forever be a pride of Badok, Ambassador and Mrs. Leoncia Cardenas, my mentor, my professor, who gave me the highest grades when I was having my masteral, Dr. and Mrs. Marino Baitek, and of course, the strength of everybody, especially in St. John the Baptist, our very dedicated, our committed parish priest, Reverend Father Freddy Astudillo Apo, the very, very wonderful and very beautiful candidates for the search ng Binibining Badok 2007. They are with us up here in the stage. Of course, my fellow chairman of Director General, the Provincial Tourism Officer, who is bringing honor and fame to the province of Ilocos Norte, thereby always uplifting the municipality of Badok, Mr. Arian Ree Barlahan Raquel. To all of you, our balikbayans, friends and relatives, all the barangay officials, the department heads, the staff, the national government organizations, and everybody, the visitors, the professionals, and all of us here, good morning once again. First of all, let me, in behalf of Ayan, who will talk, he will also talk mamaya, extend our greatest and sincerest thanks and gratitude to the officialdom of the municipality of Badok for giving us the privilege and honor to be the Directors General in this 2017 First La Virgen Milagrosa Baru Abadok Festival. We consider this not only as an honor and pride, but more as a challenge. But we know and we are confident that everything will turn out right because we started it well, and that in the end, as we culminate this activity, we will reap success and the goal will be achieved. The goals will be achieved. Put God on top of everything, and the Lord will never leave you. Put God on top of everything, and everything will be a success in our life and in our local government unit. We just did that a while ago by attending the Mass as an opening of the Fiesta Festival for 2017, being a part of the Domingo Panagsabet or the Easter Sunday. So, feeding ourselves with the works and words of God and putting ourselves in the communion of the community and of God, everything will be a success, my dear friends. After feeding and nourishing ourselves with the words and works of the Lord, we will all together enjoy a little bit later as we will take together a breakfast which we term it Pamigat Tisang Kailian in the form of a boodle fight. This in essence, my fellow Baduqueños, visitors and friends, is the true meaning of our fiesta theme. Panagkaykaysa para ti sapasap a panagduras ti ili Abado. And I say that our theme is timely and fitting at this point in time. Your beautiful faces, your happy faces, and your smiles today are already a manifestation nga adda panagkaykaysa dagiti umili iti Bado, and that is that we want our community to be one and to see it more progressive under the leadership of the very determined, the very dedicated, and the very visionary leaders headed by our Mayor, Maxi Cahigan. The challenge is right. The challenge is just within our hearts and our minds. We must be part in building a better Bado, a strong foundation for our town. Pastor us, Bado. And together we can make Bado great forever. Because we have our leaders, we have our mayor, we have our vice mayor, we have our supporters, and we have you, whose vision is to lead by example and bring the glory of peace and unity, the glory of development in our community and in our town, Bado, bringing to us the foods, the clothing, and the shelters that we barely and we perfectly and exactly need, the education and everything that we need. Well, at this point of time, let me say congratulations to each and every one of us. Congratulations, fellow Badoqueños. Congratulations to all the sectors of the local government unit, the sectors of development, from the municipal mayor, very humble but always willing to serve with a vision to make Bado a place of a great place to live in. We have our young vice mayor and our Sangguniang Bayan members who gives their full support to the municipality of Bado. And of course, we have the local council for women, headed by no other else but the very beauteous and very humble First Lady of the town of Bado, the Vice President of the Association of Barangay Council, our President, Madam the Honorable Giselle Cahigan. The ever-committed and hard-working barangay captains. Without you, my dear barangay captains, this wouldn't be possible. So thank you very much. The barangay councils and all other officials of the various barangays, the national government organizations, the professionals, the balikbayans, the religious sectors, the Philippine National Police, who are there to stand with us 24-hour round the clock just to ensure our safety, and that everything will be in order as we do our activities and all throughout the leadership of our Honorable Mayor, the department heads and staff who are always willing to render overtime and to give their full support to the leadership to ensure the success of this activity. To all of you who are with us, the Balikbayans and everybody right here, the DepEd family who are always there to ensure that our festive ball will be successful and as festive as ever. Thank you very much. All of us, me and Ayan and the Honorable Governor and all the officials of the province of Ilocos Norte and the congressional districts, all of us play a vital and crucial role just to make this festivity a resounding success. Let us clap our hands to honor ourselves. The Honorable Governor, may we extend our thanks to her, and of course, Sir Matthew, and all the Vice Governor for the El Gobernador Band from Cavite City. They were the sponsors of the El Gobernador Band, but since we are in the town, we call it El Mayor and Vice Mayor Band. The La Virgen Milagrosa Baro Abado Festival recites the tale of our beloved patroness and all the blessings and miracles that we have reaped already, and shows us how far we have already come from the momentous arrival of the Virgen Milagrosa to the celebrated lives of the Luna brothers, bringing us a better town, Badoc. Hence, it is high time that we gather once again and celebrate together and commemorate the legacy imparted to us and to celebrate our recent achievements and enjoy the fruits of our labor. Congratulations, Baru Abado, through the inspiration of La Virgen Milagrosa, through the inspiration of our religious sectors and inspiration of our municipal and provincial leadership, everything will be a resounding success. To every Badoqueño and to everyone joining us from the rest of Ilocos Norte, may we have a successful, fruitful, and very happy life, love, and faith. Agbiag ti Badoc, agbiag ti Baru Abado, agbiag ni La Virgen Milagrosa. Diyos unay dagina,